So you're welcome to this class. In this class, we are going to show you how to bring in some things into your OBS. We are not dealing much on a standard tutorial on OBS, but we are just going to teach you what pertain, what we want to do, what we are doing, and what we are about doing, so that you understand how to bring in your input, how to project it, and how to live stream it. So if you want to add anything, you go to this source, or you can create your scene yourself. Let me say I want to create a scene. Learn. So let me call it learn. So everything I'm going to be doing is based on the learn. So everything I'm going to, let's say the program, let's say learn. Let me explain it this way. Let's say I want to go and do a projection somewhere, or I want to be doing a projection somewhere and it will entail a frequent video, or I want to be doing projections, I want to be doing some YouTubing or live streaming stuff, or working with OBS. Okay, this is what I want to do. I titled it learn because I'm going to be talking about learning and teaching, so that I don't merge. I have the one for my church, I don't merge it with this one I'm doing, because if I go on and be creating into this one, creating my source into this one, I might run into some certain conflicts. So I just have to be specific on what I'm doing. I have to create a different scene on each of them to differentiate them. So start with the plus sign. So this is it. The plus sign here is what you go. Now we have application audio capture, audio input capture. This one is where you bring in your audio inputs. Any audio inputs you plug into your system is shown here. Now my audio input, let me look for the audio input I plugged here. Open it. Okay. I plug it into the front of my desktop. So let me save it with audio front. Let me see how it is. Okay, you select what you want here. Okay, front microphone, that's what I'm using. Okay, and you click OK. So as you can see, it's already counting here. The next, browse. You can use browse to bring in things from an HTML that have an HTML code. Let's assume you want to access a browser. You go to your Chrome, get the link, you put it here, it functions. This can also be used to bring in some doc files. Doc files are functions, things that will make it look more beautiful. Then your color source, you can say, okay, let me create a color source that I will be using. I don't want it to be transparent. Let me be using the red. I think you can see it changes it. That's okay. .192 and let me see. So anyone you want to do, can zoom in to cover the screen. So that's one thing about color. The next is display capture. You just play along with it. Display capture is to bring whatever capture. Let me say I just leave it like this. I think you see. So whatever is on this screen, if I attach any computer, if I attach any screen to this my system, I will see it as display 2. This one is display 1. I want it to capture everything I'm doing on this display. It will capture it. That's what it means. The next, in-game capture. So whatever you want to bring in, just follow the process and it tells you what you want. Image, you want to bring in image, shows you like this. You browse straight to where you have the image. Where do I have image on this system, sir? Okay, I have image here. I bring in the image and boom. This image is on PNG. That is why you see that it's not showing anything on the background. So it's just a way also you can use to bring in your logo. So by then I'm not going to be teaching on logo again. So this is how we used to put logo. This is why I love this OBS 28. It gives you dimension. The next, you can create text. Media source is what you bring in your video. Image slide. You click it, image slide, you go there, then this is where you bring in your video. You scroll down, all the files you want, you pick them in, you add them as file. So everything you bring in there will be showing there. So the slide will be going one after the other depending on your setting you are doing here. How you want them to come up each other is fading. Then you click here OK. So before you know, I think you see it start going through all the slides. Text. To add text to it, just follow the process. Let me just change this color. I don't like the red, it's too much. So if anyone is interfering, you can carry it and drop it. Take it up. Just like that. Hope you understand what I did there. So video capture is almost same. Video capture, window capture, you click it, you bring in your windows. I have no window capture. Let's assume I'm doing easy worship. This one you can still use it. This is what we have been using to bring in our easy worship before. Before this easy worship 7 came in, we have to start using NDI. We teach you NDI in the next class. So see you. So we are stopping here for this class. So we are stopping here for this class. See you in the next class.